got this 2016 Mustang back in. We did it about 2 weeks ago. We did a rear muffler delete and put 4-inch tips. And it wasn't loud enough. So he came back, and guess what we did? True dueled it. Why not? So there was a resonator there. That's it right there. Right, you see my finger? Right there. And we put pipes right there instead of the resonator. Right there. 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 So now it's true dual. There's stock converters there and there. Then it's true dual all the way to the back to some 4-inch tips there and there by 18s rolled edge. Because it looks sexy, and we give them a little bit of style out the sides more than straight out the back. Because, you know, why not? Right, Tim? Yeah. See? That's how you do a resonator delete on these. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the old resonator. Much better. Woo! 119, bro. Again? 122. Wow. Go ahead and back it up.
Sounds even better.
Yeah. Hell yeah. If you do want to tame it, bring it back. We'll put an X pipe. But I think you'll enjoy it like that. That's loud.
Right.
Hell yeah. And it's a 6-speed, right?
Yeah, 6-speed.
Ooh, baby. Standard. That's why you see the exhaust shake. Shaking, baby. Shaking, baby. Hell yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ford Mustang V6. Loud as loud can get. There you go, rev it. Oh my God. Hell yeah. Come get you some. Hell yeah, beast mode. So loud. You guys can still hear it. That's awesome.